Hey guys, welcome everyone to a brand new cryptocurrency video. I'm your host from Crypto Basket and I'm thrilled to have you all join me today. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with my content. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a like and consider sharing it with others. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. The crypto market has an amazing start to the year and we are only 4 weeks into it, and we see a huge jump in Bitcoin and also in Ethereum, and Solana came roaring back from the dead. So now whether this latest run turns out to be the start of the bull market or just a bull trap will remain to be seen. However, in this video, we will be taking a look at all the best and the biggest development just over the last couple of weeks, which continue to tell me that when the bull market does finally begin, and it's only a matter of time that it's going to be the biggest one. Yet as always, if you do enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thanks to everyone who does. So okay, first up, just before we take a look at what's been going on around the world, the one charm which should be getting everyone excited is this chart. And so this is a chart that should be getting everyone excited, and this is a great chart. If you have seen it before, it's a great refresher. And for everyone now, it's basically built around the days from halving event. And so it's very clear indicator of Bitcoin's bull market, and then bear markets. In blue was the first cycle, then the orange was the second cycle, and the green was the one that we've just gone through, turning into now this red, which is the fourth cycle. And things to point out that, so yes, it's very clear to see that these huge bull runs, but what most people don't realize is that the bull market doesn't start from the halving event. Yeah, it starts way before, at the absolute bottom of the bear market. That's when the bull market starts, and this shows that it could be any time from now. In fact, we could have already hit the bottom, back in June, but the next few months are going to be critical. But with this latest jump that we have just experienced is the start of the new bull market, or adjustable trap will remain to be seen. But this is the time to be, getting prepared. And when the next halving event comes in 2024, you really want to get things in place. Now, on the biggest development that have happened in just the last couple of weeks, so we start with Brazil, and this has been a long time coming, but the president has finally signed off the crypto bill. And what is a crypto bill? It makes cryptos a legal payment. So this is a huge coming from Brazil, and it will also establish a licensing regime for digital assets, services providers. And Brazil is not a small country. It's actually one of the biggest economies in the world. So next we fly up to Ukraine, which is turning out to be very crypto friendly. And the latest is that the largest pharmaceutical chain of all the shops across the Ukraine is now accepting Binance Pay. So Binance really pushing adoption in Ukraine, into Europe now. And this is a digital bank, N26, which is actually based in Germany. And due to its success, they are now rolling out all across the Europe. So again, an online bank enabling people to buy crypto now in Switzerland, Belgium, Portugal, and Ireland. Binance continue to push global adoption, and they have just won their 7th approval in Europe, and it's been approved by the Swedish regulators. So Binance is now fully registered in Italy, Spain, France, Poland, Cyprus, Sweden, and Lithuania. As CZ says, ignore the FUD and just keep building. And a classic example, you can now use Apple Pay and Google Pay when funding your account with Binance, a prime example of ignoring the FUD and just keep building. And the work has been richly awarded, as BMW, one of the biggest car brands in the world, is going to be using BNB for their blockchain loyalty programs. So BMW clearly knows the benefits of blockchain, as they will be integrating their decentralized tech into phases. The first is in its daily operation, and it's a great way to get rid of the complex paperwork. And then the second phase is starting their customer loyalty program based on the blockchain. So it's a huge leap. And then over to US. US has all the biggest and the best stuff continues to happen. So there now, does any recognize any of these brands, as this is what's been going on onto the NFTs over the last couple of years. And so it is, it was the NBA that kicked us all off. Then in Pizza Hut jumped in quickly, followed by the competitor Taco Bell. And then later the year, Gucci jumped in, in for one of the biggest fashion icon brands, Burberry, and Ray-Ban quickly followed the suit. When Coca-Cola jumped in, Burger King quickly followed the suit. And then we have Puma, Nike, the NFL, Starbucks, Reddit. So the mega brands are all getting involved in it. And then we have BlackRock, which is world's largest asset manager, continuing to be crypto friendly. And this time they are adding Bitcoin to their flagship global allocation funds, which is a $15 billion fund. So BlackRock clearly see and are pushing the adoption of Bitcoin. Hashtag probably nothing. Then this was huge news for all the fans of Avalanche, as Amazon has chosen them as a partner to push blockchain technology to enterprise and governments. So this piece of news was huge, coming out mid-January, and long after with was the start of the latest crypto pump. Not hard to see why. And then finally, another mega brand, Samsung, and their asset management arm has launched their Bitcoin features, ETF in Hong Kong. And Samsung is well known for pushing innovation well before their competitors. So, but again, a mega brand saying that they would like to provide economic exposure to the value of Bitcoin. So as you saw, the developments keep coming in thick and fast despite this brutal crypto winter. But let's be honest, crypto is just world's another scam, right? It's just the companies and the brands that no one ever heard of. They are getting involved, right? So as you saw, there was just unknown companies like BlackRock, Amazon, Samsung, So jokes aside, for me, 2023 will be the year that the crypto market finally bottoms, which means that it's when the bull market officially begins. So it's the time to get prepared and get everything in place for, where some of the daily moves in crypto are going to be, stunning. So there you are, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Just know that things could take another big leg down before the full capitulation takes place. So just bear that in mind. So pun intended. But for now, to say, if you did enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like, and big thanks to everyone who does that. And I'll see you guys in next video.